leaving the bustle of Kutaisi behind. The road is often narrow, winding through small villages where life seems to proceed at a much slower, older pace. Encounter the heart of Georgian rural commerce, the roadside stall. The most immediate acoustic is the insistent, musical sound of dripping water, echoing sharply off the high, wet ceilings. The entire subterranean landscape is bathed in a vibrant, curated palette. Stalagmites are massive, sculpted forms that have taken millennia to rise from the cave floor. The water below, still and undisturbed, captures their image with an unnerving perfection.